Welcome back, guys. Working on the old truck again. Just when I thought I was done, the damn alternator went out. Get an alternator stuck on there for him. Should be good to go. Smooth sailing after that, hopefully. Parts store said they didn't have one for the old 350 with serpentine style. They were all V-band. So I went ahead and pulled this off. He's pulling up now, so we shall see. New alternator's V-band. Or V-belt, not V-band. Got turbos on my mind. Swap this over. Be good to go. Got the serpentine pulley on the new one. Time to get her on there. Get that little bracket stuck on. He'll be riding. Got that firewall painted as well. Oh yeah! Charging 14! Like new money. The whole engine base came a long way from the first video. I believe that's it for the old Chevy. Charging good. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.